I've just arrived. You could see my number. It says 6:30 a.m. start on my bike. This is me. So I have arrived late because I couldn't get up this morning. So I'm gonna go to that queue where it says 7 a.m. and this is it, London to Brighton. I should arrive in Brighton in about 3 hours and 15 minutes, something like that. Just about 3 hours time. And then I come back to London by coach. Quite easy, this one. It's a bit Mickey Mouse. The real one is the Surrey Ride 100 next month. Yeah, that's the one I'm looking forward to. This one, loads and loads of bicycles. See? Okay, so take care. There's my number, and there's me. This is my bike. Oh man, my new pedals.